My Mother at 66, the first poetry of class 12th English Flamingo book. Let us understand the poetry line by line and word by word. And before that, let us discuss the theme of the poetry. The poetry basically deals with the theme of loss of one's mother. We know that we are all mortal beings and we are all aging. And as we are aging, our parents are even aging more. And there will be a day when we will not have our parents around us. And yes, we have to live without them. So, this is the overall theme of the poetry, My Mother at 66. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. तो उस दिन जब मैं ड्राइव करते हुए एयरपोर्ट जा रही थी कोचिन से, मैंने अपनी माँ को देखा जो मेरे पास बैठी हुई थी. डोज ओपन माउथ हेड, हर फेस एशन लाइक दैट ऑफ ए कॉर्प्स. वो अनकॉन्शियस दिखाई दे रही थी, उनका मुंह खुला हुआ था और उनका चेहरा इतना डल दिखाई दे रहा था जैसे वो कोई डेड बॉडी हो. हर फेस एशन लाइक दैट ऑफ ए कॉर्प्स. So, like, the usage of like is symbolic of the usage of simile. Remember, students, we will also be discussing the poetic devices which are used in the poem. And realized with pain that she was as old as she looked. As old as she looked is also simile. मुझे बहुत ही दर्द के साथ इस चीज का एहसास हुआ कि वो उतनी ही बूढ़ी हैं जितनी बूढ़ी को दिखाई दे रही हैं. But soon put that thought away and looked out at young trees sprinting, the many children spinning. मैंने बहुत जल्दी उस विचार को अपने दिमाग से हटाया और मैंने किस पे फोकस किया. मैंने फोकस किया यंग ट्री स्प्रिंटिंग, जवान पेड़ जो भाग रहे थे. स्प्रिंटिंग इज रनिंग. We know that when we move in a vehicle, the trees or the stationary objects appear to move in opposite direction, which is called as inertia of motion. तो मुझे ऐसा लगा कि यंग ट्रीज जो है वो भाग रहे हैं. एंड मेरी चिल्ड्रन स्पिलिंग. स्पिलिंग इज अ वर्ड दैट इज यूजुअली यूज्ड विद लिक्विड्स. So here it shows the intensity of the children. So please understand, a contrast is being drawn between old-aged mother who was looking dull and pale and like that of a corpse, and trees and children who were running and spilling with full energy out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her wan pale. मैंने फिर से अपनी माँ की तरफ देखा जो बहुत ही डल और पेल दिखाई दे रही थी, as a late winter's moon. So here also we have simile, as a late winter's moon. And felt that old familiar ache, my childhood's fear. मुझे फिर से अपना वो पुराना जाना पहचाना दर्द का एहसास हुआ, मेरे बचपन का डर. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. So see you soon, Amma is symbolic of hope of meeting the mother soon. मैंने केवल कहा see you soon, Amma, जल्द ही मिलेंगे. And all I did was smile and smile and smile. So we have repetition in smile and smile and smile, and the smile is a deliberate attempt to hide her feelings. जब हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, समझदार हो जाते हैं, मैच्योर हो जाते हैं, हम अपने पेरेंट्स से चीज़ों को कॉन्शियसली छुपाने लगते हैं. हम अपनी तकलीफ़ों को उनको नहीं बताना चाहते क्योंकि हमें पता है कि वो बूढ़े हैं, वो वैसे ही परेशान हैं. अगर हम अपनी तकलीफ़ उनको बताएंगे तो वो और परेशान हो जाएंगे. So the poet was smiling and it was an attempt to hide her feelings. So this is it about My Mother at 66 by Kamla Das. We will be meeting to discuss yet another poetry of class 12th English. Till then, take care. Bye bye.